Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom and today you'll be riding along with me as I drive north on I-15 in California. But to all my first time visitors, I'd first of all like to say welcome. And if this video is something you find entertaining, I would encourage you to check out some of my other videos from this trip or other road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate it if you could support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and also maybe becoming a subscriber as well. Lastly, I would also encourage everyone to leave a comment on this video because I do my honest best to try to apply to everyone as soon as I can. So this video begins where the last one left off, heading north on I-15 from Victorville. As we head north on I-15 leaving the Victor Valley, we'll make our way further into the Mojave Desert until we come to Barstow, which is where this video will end. This video is from the 4th day of my 10-day adventure to California and back, which will include video from a handful of national parks and monuments, as well as over 6,000 miles of dashcam footage from 14 states, including ones that we've already released like Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas, but also from upcoming states like Nevada, Utah, and Colorado. So please consider subscribing if you haven't already so you don't miss anything. But for now, I'm going to keep driving north on I-15 in beautiful Southern California. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll continue north on I-15 further into the Mojave Desert to Baker. So make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching. And until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.